Hi guys, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Leilani collection. Today we're going to be unboxing dumpling squishies. I made them, so don't get too hyped. I made 3 of them. I also made 2 surprise blind bag mystery dumplings. There's 2 dumplings in one bag, and it says made by Leilani collection, my channel name. But today we're not going to be opening these guys. We're just going to be opening these 3 dumplings. I'm super excited, and my sister's going to be opening them today. Hannah-Lay, this is my sister Hannah-Lay. Hannah-Lay, say hi to everyone.
Hi!
So we're so excited. My sister, I have a video that says good channel. That's my sister's channel. Anyways, let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so first she's going to start with this dumpling. Take it away.
Okay guys, now we are gonna open the cap.
3, 2, 1, open! Guys, you can see it first. You guys can see it first. Hi, what color do you think it is?
I think it's green.
Oh, how did you know? I didn't tell her, guys, I promise you. That's crazy. Okay, let's open the next dumpling. Here you go. And this is all made by Leilani Collection, my channel.
Okay guys, now we're gonna open this. I wonder what this is.
3, 2, 1, open. Open. Okay guys, what do you think it is, Hannah-Lay?
Rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it.
Oh, this one broke.
It's okay. So, it's okay. But anyways, guys, if you want to see how to make these things, just go to my, just like this video so I know. But yeah, let's get into the next dumpling now. Here we go, last dumpling. This is a really short video, guys.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna open this one.
Also, I made all of them. Handmade.
I made one. I know how to make some of dumplings, but not these ones.
What color do you think it is?
Rainbow.
You sure?
Yes.
She was right, guys. So
How is it broken?
because you gotta be gentle with it. Anyways, guys, those were the 3 dumpling squishies. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. Bye!